Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos.
Tamarind. Nobody knows where my tamarind stood, just by a winding lane. Each year it gave me fruit and shade, and drew me to my home again. I loved to sit beneath her shady boughs and rest up for a while, to gaze out upon the distant blue hills with laughter and a smile. And now that I am back, I am eager to find my tamarind again. I hasten down to that favorite spot. I search, but search in vain. Then I stop and I stare. I stand quite still. I listen to my heart. That magnificent tree that was my life has just been ripped apart. I turn to the hills, my eyes filled with tears, for sure I have lost my soul. Where once it stood tall, there is nothing there now, merely an empty hole.